Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a knife. To start with, I've already made a simple bead. The bead should be cooled down to a point where it's firm again. Now we heat up the part of the bead we want to carve. We do this repeatedly until the bead has even curves on all sides. The special thing about this knife is that it's very sharp on the bottom and a lot wider than a normal knife near the top. This way it's not one even cut, but a slightly triangular curve, which looks a lot more vivid. I think it's useful for creating a pretty elegant look. Also good for making a nice pumpkin. The knife is available in different variants at our shop. The knife is available at the link pictured. Thank you for watching and see you next time.